Welcome back to Ira Throne, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a tree. So, now I'm going to pause and that you get your materials. You need a pen, pencil, or marker, and a piece of paper. Okay, so now that you got all your things, it's ready. It's time to begin. So, first, you need to make an outline like that on your paper, like this. Okay, that is going to be the stem. Next, you need to make a big bump and then some branches like this. Big bump and then some branches coming out like this. Okay, so now that you have your branches, it's time to make some leaves. So, make some leaves all over. And now, go like this, just like the flower. And there are your leaves. Okay. There are your leaves. And now, what you have to do is now color it all in. So I'm going to let you get your materials, color them in. The materials are some crayons, a colored pen, maybe a colored Sharpie, and I'm going to let you get that. Okay, I'm going to pause and let you get your materials. Okay, now that you have all your materials, it's time to color it in. You can color it in any way you like, but I recommend the first part, making it a little beigeish, maybe a little brown. So you take maybe your brown or whatever, and then you color it in. Do that for the rest, and then I'm going to join you back when it's all colored in. And there you have it, folks, a finished beginner tree. You can make lots of these and then combine them together to make one giant one. Or you can just make one, cut it out, and then you can maybe sell it, keep it, do whatever you want. I'm Rowan Swider, and this is how to draw a tree. And join me next time with a flower with soil underneath. Okay. Join me next time on Art with Rowan. Goodbye.